gising na naman kami, nasira na naman yung tulog, hindi na naman continuous yung tulog, putol na naman, as usual, ano pa bang bago?
Tasty. Wow. Delicious. Amazingly delicious. 5 days of no brushing of teeth. So what do you expect? Used to it. Siyempre sila Angelica, siyempre hindi ko maaasahan talaga na sila magsaing. Sila Jackie, hindi ko maaasahan. Kasi siyempre parang iniisip ko kung sino man pwedeng gumawa nung kami. Hindi ko talaga naisip sila na nakakaya mo siyang utusan. Hindi ko mas sila magawa, hey Jackie, can you please? Oh my God, baka hindi ko pa matapos yung sentence, hindi wala na. Guys! Pagpalutang sa latiyan at doon ang bola ay pag-agawan.
Ang inyong bakod dapat depensahan. Teamwork ang kailangan
Para matalo ang kalaban.
It's like football in water.
It's like, parang water polo.
pagiging parang water polo.
Nag-huddle kami, kinausap ko silang lahat. Sabi ko sa kanila na kailangan nating manalo, pakita natin kung gaano kalakas yung bulan. Kasi nung huling challenge kasi masyado kami naging confident.
May kumain muna tayo, mag-store muna tayo lakas.
Kumain muna kami para may lakas kami sa challenge. We're in high spirits. Mataas yung confident level namin.
Sige, tama. Hindi disiplina. Pero mamaya galit na galit. Parang galit talaga siya. Sir, I need that reward. I need a food reward. Hindi kakainin ko yung volcanoes.
I don't know why, but my system almost kind of shut down a bit. I didn't have much of an appetite, so I was almost trying to force feed myself. That's why I was only eating very little.